there's a release here, so you could either release this and get this up, but I think it's easier to press down here, release that, bring it down, and then there's a little button you press here to bring it up. Then to lock it in the front, let me turn it around for you. Lock it in the front, you press that there, and it's locked in now. But let's see. So it can go down and up, and then there's a little pin there that locks it in. Hopefully it's strong. And to bring it up, it elevates this way, and there's a little clasp at the end that you bring in to lock it down. So it's a couple steps to lock it down. The charging to take off the battery, let's go through that quickly. To remove the battery, if I'm remembering correctly, there's a little switch here, so you can, and then you just bring it up and you're off. There's a little silicone on top, so you can charge it on or off the bike. The heaviest part of the bike seems to be, or the scooter seems to be, the base. And if I want to put the battery back, and I guess it's like a lot of scooters, just straight back down, and it's good again. And just the reverse to disassemble it, and hopefully we'll figure it out gradually as we go. Most of the times I leave the handles up like this. It's just easier because then when I put it down, it doesn't have to float around as much. But it's pretty easy to put down if I need to. If I want this extra space to bring it back up, it's pretty easy. It's just right there. And then I just normally pick it up like that. When I want to open it up, now that I've gotten accustomed to it, I just fold this out like that. Bring this down. There's a little button here that I have to push to get it to come up. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. Little button there that I have to push to get it to come up. Once that comes up, this locks here, and I don't have to worry about it. This pretty much locks as soon as I bring it up, but I try to make sure it's locked just in case. This, I have the option of closing it or opening it. It gets kind of taut as you bring it closed, and then I bring this up. And then I just tighten that back down, and it's pretty good. Let's see. I like the simplicity. On, off is right here. Very simple. Hopefully you can see that. 0, 0. This gives me the option. That little red means I'm going super fast, then not so fast, a little bit fast, and then I'm going super fast. You'll notice the difference. Sometimes I'll forget. And then on this side, the little horn or the lights. So it's super simple compared to the Unagi that I had before, but super simple. And then the battery, let's move it forward a little. There's a little kickstand on the side. I'll show you that too. The battery is really easy to take off. So if I want to remove the battery, I just pull this forward and then up. I just pull this forward and lift up, and the battery comes off. And it's the reverse process to get it to go back down. And it's back in. When I pick it up to go inside, if I pick it up like this, the Unagi I was used to putting down, so I would let the Unagi go down. This will go down, but the minute that clicks inside, this is going to fold when I pick it up. So the Unagi, I used to just be able to pick it up like that, but that's a little bit of a difference. The battery charges faster, seems to have a good life. The only problem I run into, if it's a super steep hill, I might as well just get off and walk. If it's a super steep hill, I just walk. Because I'm going 3-4 miles an hour, I could walk. It's just a pain to sit on there, even if I'm going 1 mile per hour faster. I could walk at 2-3 miles per hour. I'm on this if it's a super steep hill. Normal hill, you're pretty good as long as you've got a fully charged battery and you're not going super far. Wheels are pretty good. I don't know, any of these that you ride in the rain. So far, it's been a good scooter. I'll probably buy the extra battery, maybe if they have a Black Friday discount. So far, I'm happy with it. I can't complain about anything. Everything's pretty good. And just have to remember that clicks down and we're done. When you get it to fold, that thing there is going to click in there, and that pretty much locks everything up.